Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will cover GATE previous year papers. General aptitude part I will cover. 2017 second session I will cover, afternoon session. Question is, the ways in which this game can be played dash potentially infinite. Ways is plural, so R is the answer, C is the answer. If you choose plan P, you will have to dash plan Q as these two are mutually dash. Answer is A, forgo and exclusive. A is the answer. If you choose plan P, you will have to forgo plan Q as these two are mutually exclusive. Question number 58. If A and B are integers and A minus B is even, which of the following must always be even? So condition is A minus B is even. Here we will use method of elimination. So first assume in case 1 both are odd numbers, in case 2 both are even numbers. So first check condition is satisfying or not. A minus B. So in case 1 7 minus 3 it's 4, so condition is satisfying. Second case 6 minus 4 it's 2, it's also even, so both conditions satisfying. Case 1 and case 2 both are satisfying. Then options you check. Option A into B. A let 7A and 3 as B, here 6A 4 as B. So A into B, 7 into 3, you will get 21. 21 is odd number, so it's not even. Condition not satisfying. A not possible. 6 into 4 it's satisfying, but case 1 it's not satisfying. Options B. A square plus B square plus 1. 7 square is 49. 3 square is 9. 49 plus 9 plus 1. So you will get 59. 59 is odd number, so B also not possible. In C you have to check. A square plus B plus 1. A square is A is 7, 49 plus B is 3 plus 1. 52 plus 1. It's 53. It's a odd number, so C also not possible. No need to check for case 2. And last case you have to check. Automatically it will be the answer. That you can check. 7 into 3 minus 3. 21 minus 3, 18. It's satisfying. Case 2 also you can check. 6 into 4 minus 4. It's 20. Both case satisfying. Both are even numbers, so D is the answer. Question number 59. A couple has two children. The probability of both children are boys if the older one is a boy is dash. Couple has two children, so either boy or girl. So already older one is boy, so first boys B will come, then it may be second one girl, or both are boys, B. So here sample space S is 2. Two conditions. Probability that both children are boys is only one condition. So S is 2 and A is 1. And we know probability of A equal to number of favorable cases divided by total number of possible cases. Total number of possible cases. So PA equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2, C is the answer. Question number 60. P looks at Q while Q looks at R. P is married, R is not. The number of pairs of people in which a married person is looking at unmarried person. P looks at Q, Q looks at R. Q looks at R. P is married person, R is not. About Q, nothing is mentioned. So, number of pairs of people in which a married person is looking at an unmarried person. So, here answer is B. Question based on passage, 2 marks question. If you are looking for a history of India or for an account of the rise and fall of the British Raj or for the reason of the cleaving of the subcontinent into two mutually antagonistic parts and the effect of this mutilation will have in the respective sections and ultimately on Asia, you will not find it in these pages, for though I have spent a lifetime in the country, I lived too near the seat of events and was too intimately associated with the actors to get the perspective needed for the impartial recording of these matters. Which of the following is closest in meaning to? First, read the question, then read the passage. Which of the following is closest in meaning to cleaving? So, cleaving word is here. Closest meaning to cleaving. For an account of the rise and fall of the British Raj or for the reason of the cleaving of the subcontinent into two mutually antagonistic parts. So answer is D, splitting. Splitting of the subcontinent into two mutually antagonistic parts. X bullocks and Y tractors take 8 days to plough a field. If we halve the number of bullocks and double the number of tractors, it takes 5 days to plough the same field. How many days will it take X bullocks alone to plough the field? Part method we will use here. Already for part method, time and work, I made 3 videos that you can check for the concept. So here X bullocks and Y tractors. X bullocks and Y tractors, both of them takes, X plus Y takes 8 days to plough a field. So then half the number of bullocks and double the number of tractors. So X by 2 plus 2Y takes 5 days. So LCM take total number of parts. Total number of parts is 40 parts or 40 units. So per day X plus Y they will finish 5 parts or 5 units. And here in second case they will complete 8 parts. 40 by 8 it's 5 parts, 40 by 5 it's 8 parts. Then how many days will it take X bullocks alone to plough the field? So 2 equations you get. You have to solve these 2 equations. X plus Y equal to 5 and multiply 2 in second case. X plus 4Y equal to 16. two equations we have to solve. So here we can minus 5. X cancel, 3y equal to 16 minus 5, 11. So y you will get 11 by 3. Then x, 5 minus 11 by 3, you will get 4 by 3. So how many days will it take to x bullocks alone to plug the field? So y, x and y, put the values here. Y is 11 by 3, x is 4 by 3. So you have to find bullocks. X value we have to find. So 40 by 4 by 3. 10 into 3, 30 days. A is the answer. Part method is very easy. If you don't know the concept, then you can check the 3 videos already I made. Then you will get this. And you can solve this type of questions very easily. So if they will ask the question for y value also, tractors, how many days they will take, that also you can solve. 40 by 11 into 3, you will get 120 by 11. There are 4 women P, Q, R, S and 5 men V, W, X, Y, Z in a group. We are required to form pairs. It consists of 1 woman and 1 man. P is not to be paired with Z and Y must necessarily be paired with someone. In how many ways 4 such pairs can be formed? So 4 women P, Q, R, S and 5 men V, W, X, Y, Z. V, W, X, Y, Z. P not to be paired with Z. So P and Z not possible. Then Y must necessarily be paired with someone. So 4 such pairs in how many ways we will get? So for Q is woman, it can pair with 5 men. So then for R also 5 men available, and for S also 5 men available. Then for P, Z is not possible, so 4 options are there. So based on this relation, we have to solve this question. How many ways 4 such pairs can? Let first P pairs with V, pairs with V. Then Q will be paired with 4 other persons. Total 5 available. So out of already V left, so 4 persons available. For R, 3 persons available. For S, 2 persons available. So total 24 choices available. Total 24 choices available. In next case, first case P pairs with V, or if Q pairs with V. Q pairs with V, then for P, Z already not available. So out of 4, V left. So for P, 3 choices are there, and for R also 5 minus 2. 3 choices are there. For S, 2 choices are there. Total number of choice 18 choices are there. Or we can write, if R will pairs with V, then for P same 3 choices available. Q also 3 choices available. For S 2 choices available. Total is 18 choices. Or S pairs with V. If S pairs with P, for P same 3 choices available. For Q 3 choices available. For R 2 choices available. Total number of choice 18. So total number of ways it's in first case 24, second case 18 plus 18 plus 18, so 78 is the answer. C is the answer. Question number 64. All people in a certain island are either knights or knaves, and each person knows every other person's identity. Knight never lie and knave always lie. So conditions: knight never lie, knight they won't lie, and knaves they always lie. Sorry, here cross should be here, tick should be here. This is the condition, and then P says both of us are knight and Q says none of us are knaves. So here statement given, so options we have to check. Condition 1, both P and Q are knights. So if P is knight and Q also knight, condition is knight never lie. This one, knight never lie. So here both of us, P says both of us are knights, Q says none of us are knights. Let for P statement condition I, and for Q statement condition 2. You have to check condition 1 and condition 2. In option A, both are satisfying or not. If P is a knight, both of us are knight, this is correct. And if Q is knight, none of us are knaves, that is also possible. So both conditions are satisfying, but our knights, so option A both are satisfying. Then option B you have to check, P is knight and Q is knave. Conditions we have to check. Both of us are knights, so not possible. And Q says none of us are knaves. Q is knave and he is lying. None of us are knaves. So this is also not possible. See, both P and Q are knaves. Q also. Condition I and double I you have to check. P says both of us are knights, so both are knaves, so I not satisfying, no need to check for double I. Then option D you have to check. The identities of, in option C, P is knave, so P will lie. So both of us are knights, so he is telling the truth. Possible. And Q is knave, he will lie. None of us are knaves, so this is also true. Both option A and option C both are satisfying. So identities of P and Q cannot be determined. D is the answer. This is little bit tricky question. Time taking also. Question based on graph. In the graph below, the concentration of a particular pollutant in a lake is plotted over alternate days of a month. In winter, average temperature of 10 degrees Celsius, and a month in summer, average temperature 30 degrees. Two statements given. Statement I, over the given months, the difference between the maximum and minimum pollutant concentration is the same in both winter and summer. Double I, there are at least 4 days in the summer months so that the pollutant concentration on those are within 1 ppm of the pollutant concentration on the corresponding days in the winter month. Which of the options is correct? So option I, given month, the difference between maximum and minimum pollutant concentration is same both case. Difference we have to check. So condition I, over the given month, the difference between the maximum and minimum pollutant concentration is same in both winter and summer. So maximum, if you take winter, black color, this is the maximum, it's 8, and minimum is here, it's around 0. So 8 minus 0, you will get 8 minus 0, 8. This is the difference. And in summer, this is the maximum, it's 10.5, minus minimum is here 1.5, you will get 9. So condition I is not satisfying. A not possible. C also not possible. Condition double I we have to check. There are at least 4 days in the summer months so that pollutant concentration on these days are within 1 ppm of the pollutant concentration on the corresponding days in the winter month. So summer month minus winter month, it should be within 1 ppm, at least 4 days. So within 1 ppm, it will come here in 6, then 8. This difference, it within 1 ppm, then 8 also it's coming, 10 also it's coming, then 14 it's coming, 16 also it's coming, so more than 4. So corresponding, there are at least 4 days, so I is satisfying. So D not possible, B is the answer, only I. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video, thank you.